What's going on today, guys, and welcome to Eddie Studios. Today I want to talk about a feature on the Osmo Pocket 2 that I haven't talked about in the past and I haven't seen anybody else mention. This feature is pretty awesome and you may want to use it for some stuff, you may not want to use it for some stuff, but it could come in super handy for most video creation types. This feature is the FT Selfie mode. You may have seen it in there and been like, what is this? Or you may have seen it in there and used it. But if you haven't used it yet, let me tell you a little something about it. So what it is face track selfie mode, which means if it's on, anytime you turn it to selfie, it will automatically try to find a face and face track. There are some goods and negatives about this, Sal. So depending on who you are and how you shoot as a videographer, you could be wanting to use this all the time. I'll show you how to access it in your Pocket 2 here in just a second, but let me tell you a couple reasons why you would want to use it and a couple reasons why you wouldn't want to use it. Reasons you would want to use it would be like if you're moving around a lot and you're walking around and you want to just get your face on the camera and not have to worry about where your hand's positioned and know that when you're talking, you could be looking at something else, looking over here, and not paying attention to where you're holding your vlog camera. It's gonna still catch you in the vision, and it's not gonna be like when you're vlogging with your phone or something else and you're not paying attention and you like look to the side, and then later when you're editing your video, you're like up here or way down here and talking. And so it will always keep your face centered. That's also a negative for me. I like to use the rule of thirds, and I really wish that DJI would add some kind of an addition to this where they make it so that you could pick if you want the face centered on the top left third, top right third, lower left, lower right. Not that I would really use lowers, but top left and top right third or top center would be awesome to be able to select to like position your face while it's tracking it, because that's how I like to film. But real quick, let me pop in here and show you where you do it. All right, so when you have your Osmo Pocket 2 opened up here, you're gonna swipe down from the top, select the sprocket, and it's right there on the bottom. Tap it for on, tap it for off, and then just go back to the main screen by swiping up. Real easy to get to. If you have your Pocket 2 facing forward and you triple tap it, it turns around and it automatically selects your face. And then it will just kind of follow your face around. Let me turn mine on real quick. I did not turn it on when I showed you. So second it's on, no matter where I move it, you'll notice it's following. It's trying to keep my face in focus. But again, the problem that I said that is something that I wish you could select is where on the screen it keeps your face. So DJI, if you are watching this, we love the feature, or I love the feature, but I would love to see an upgrade to where you position what's being tracked on the screen. And I'm sure that's actually available in like the later active track versions, but this is using active track and it would be super cool to see this. Leave a comment, let me know if this is something you would use on your DJI Osmo Pocket 2 or if it's something you already use, and what do you think about the feature. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff about the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 or just budget videography tips and tricks. And if you like this video, you'll want to go check out these other cool Osmo Pocket 2 videos that I've made right here. And go shoot something awesome. Don't forget to post it. Share all your artwork, guys. Till next week, I'm gonna keep grinding here at Eddie Studios. Peace out. See you later.